everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. I am so excited today to show you our 59K lithium model that we have in stock. This is the Winnebago Travato and it's on the 2020 chassis. So follow me inside. All right, here we are inside the 59K. This is such a cool floor plan, and the main reason is it's probably the most open van that we carry. You've got windows all the way around. There's not a bathroom or kitchen blocking off these windows. The bathroom's in the back, so it makes it feel really open, light in here, and people really respond to that. They really like that. So we've got two twin beds. This one's a little bit longer. Just had a gentleman in here yesterday that was 6'2". He fit on this bed easily. And this one's a little bit shorter over here, probably only going to get maybe a 6-footer on here. These windows all open up. So I love it. So great to be able to pass something out to your significant other or somebody that's with you. Also to let airflow in. You can have these open and close the screen, keep the bugs out, you can black it out, do partial. Pretty useful. You can also lock them in the open position here. You're not going to get water in and people aren't going to be able to just break in, but it gives a little gap there in the bottom and lets some airflow circulate through. Nice cabinetry all the way throughout here. So we've got it all the way up to the cab, and then we've got these two here. So really quite a bit of storage in this van, for a van. The Ram chassis is a 21-foot chassis, so a little bit shorter than some of the Mercedes models. Nice kitchen, nice tall faucet, big sink, 2-burner stove, which is pretty standard in the vans these days. And one of the things you don't find in a lot of other vans is any counter space. This actually has some. Of course, you can use the tops of the covers of the sink and the stove as well. Convection microwave, so you can cook, you can bake, and then a little fridge freezer combo here. Does lock for travel. And then we've got more storage with some drawers, little hidden cubby here. And then in the back, honestly, one of the better showers, because you've got a lot of room back here. You've got a medicine cabinet and some cabinets and drawers over here. I'm going to switch you places so you can show that off real quick. All right, and so this is a lithium model too, so it's running on the lithium batteries. You can run your AC actually off of those batteries. It's pretty cool. So if you like to dry camp, this might be something that fits what you're looking for. To turn it on, to turn the lithium on, it's really so simple. It's the push of a button. It's just like turning on a computer. Give it a second. There it is. So we're at 80% right now, and as that goes down, you'll find out what percentage you're at, and when you get too low, you'll want to charge it back up. Time to turn it off. Just hit the button. That's it. Super easy, super simple. Pretty much everybody likes simple. Outside, you can get a good look at this. It's got a really nice, clean design. Mostly all silver with the black stripe along the windows. It's got an electric awning that goes over the top that comes out 8 feet and runs the length of the van here. There's a nice LED light strip that runs along the base of that. It'll brighten up this area. So you got some cable. This is for this is for portable solar. If you want to do solar and do portable, this is where you'll tie in with that. So it's got actually a 12-volt plug and some cable outlet. And then over here you're going to have 110 power. Around the back, the Travato is kind of known for this setup with having their ladder and their bike rack on it. So if you're a bicyclist and you want to take bikes with you, this is awesome. You also have the hitch. So you can put a receiver in there or use the receiver to carry whatever else you would like. You can tow up to 3,500 pounds in this. So maybe a small boat, a small car, small trailer, more bikes, anything like that. Nice to have that though. Does have a backup camera up top. Over here, black tank flush, so when you've dumped your gray and black sewer, you're going to flush the system. You're just going to hook a hose up here, turn the water on, and that'll flush out any remaining in there. This is the exhaust for your Truma heating system. This is your tank fill here. And your potable water. And then here is a place to store your sewer hose. So if you want to store it, put it right in there. Perfect place for it. 30 amp power is going to connect here, and another place to connect with cable. That's where you'll fill the propane. So you'll just pull up at the gas station next to the big propane, and they'll fill that up there. This is your gas fill right here. Open the door there. Take another quick look at the front of this. Very sleek aerodynamic design. Front wheel drive. Love the 59K. It's a 2020. If you have any questions on this or any of our other RVs, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot.